Snow chains allow you to drive in heavy snow conditions, for example, in mountainous regions. The BMW Snow Chains Comfort are available for most BMW models. Make sure to only fit the snow chains onto the wheels of your vehicle's main drive axle. To mount the snow chain, hold it out in front of you, making sure no parts are tangled. Pass the ring over the top of the wheel through the wheel arch and let it spring back together behind the wheel. Move the wheel approximately a quarter turn forwards or backwards. The yellow tensioning chain must not be underneath the wheel. Pull the yellow-coloured part of the tensioning chain completely through the locking plate, pull it tight, and hang it in the locking opening. Guide the tensioning chain upwards towards the locking opening. Pull the tensioning chain in sequence through all of the pull-through eyes. Unwind the clamping hook a little, applying slight tension, and hook it into the outer chain. Avoid overstretching or twisting the clamping hook. After driving for 200 to 300 meters, check the tension of the chain and retighten if necessary. When equipped with integral active steering to ensure traffic safety and to prevent damage to your vehicle, you need to check the Snow Chains Fitted box. Continue watching our How-To series to get the most out of your BMW.